We're at Albany Technical College, and we are celebrating Engineering Week. It is something that the college has been doing for the last 3 years. Not only did we invite the high school students, but we also invited the middle school students. The purpose of Engineering Week is to introduce students to the field of engineering, to let them see just how important engineering is to our everyday lives, but also to expose them to the academic programs that we have here at Albany Technical College. We have civil engineering, electromechanical engineering, we have electrical and computer engineering, but we also work very closely with the electronics technology department as well as drafting. And we were fortunate enough to extend the invitation to the computer information systems program as well. So students are getting a wide variety of information as it relates to not only engineering, but STEM also.
Well, I teach 2 programs. We have electronics technology, which is a diploma path or degree path with an associate's degree. I also work with electrical and computer engineering technology, which is just an associate's degree. Now, both of those fields are closely related, but with either one of those fields, we actually have multiple specializations that are located within each one in particular. So we have an industrial communications specialization, we have a biomedical specialization, we have electrical and computer engineering technology specializations. So each one of those will give the student an opportunity to decide which path they want to go down.
Well, I teach electromechanical engineering technology, and it's a very good field. It's a very broad field because there's no real fully electrical or fully mechanical systems these days. So it gives a student insight into both sides of most of your systems that you'll find in industry and elsewhere. The importance of this kind of event is to educate students on these types of fields, because many of the students are not introduced to these STEM fields. And this is the wave of the future, and this is where the jobs will be. So they need to know where the jobs are so they can make more informed decisions about what they'll do educationally.
What got me started in engineering was basically I like taking stuff apart and putting it back together like most people do. We want to figure out how things work. Essentially, I was very good with residential wiring in the sense, so that's like your switches and stuff in the house. But then whenever I came here to learn engineering, since I was such good at residential wiring, but I didn't necessarily want to do that, I came to learn engineering so I could actually create something.
One of the reasons the college received the grant is because there is a shortage of engineers in our community. And so it is very imperative to us that we not only introduce the students to the field of engineering, but we also provide them with some practical experience. And that's one of the reasons we're having something like this, because we're introducing students to the different areas of engineering, but we're also engaging the students so they can see what it's like to be an engineer, just a small snippet of what it's like to be an engineer.
As technology increases, as it progresses, as it gets more and more prevalent and relevant to today's society, we need individuals that have the opportunity and the ability to be able to look at those things and to be able to determine how they work, why they work, and how to fix them whenever they need to be fixed.
Most of our manufacturing environments are becoming more technologically advanced, so you have to have more advanced degrees to be able to function in those environments.
Albany Technical College, I think it's safe to say, we're really planning on providing more engineers in Albany, Georgia and the surrounding area who are coming from the programs that are starting here at Albany Technical College through our Engineering Prep Academy.